When most people install Linux Mint for the first time, they fall in love with it almost instantly. It feels familiar, stable, fast, and surprisingly polished. The Cinnamon desktop in particular gives users that perfect balance between modern design and classic workflow. But here's the truth. Even experienced users who have been running Linux Mint for years often miss some of its most powerful hidden features. These are not flashy marketing highlights. They're subtle, deeply integrated tools that quietly make your system smarter, faster, and more customizable. Today, we're diving deep into 7 hidden Linux Mint features you probably didn't know existed, and by the end of this video, you'll see Linux Mint in a completely different light. Let's start with something incredibly powerful, yet almost invisible. The built-in system snapshots powered by TimeShift. Now many users know TimeShift exists because Mint recommends setting it up during installation. But what most people don't realize is just how deeply integrated and optimized it is within Mint. This isn't just a backup tool. It's a full system rollback engine. If you install a broken driver, mess up your desktop environment, or an update causes instability, you can literally restore your entire operating system to a previous working state within minutes. Unlike traditional backups that focus on personal files, TimeShift is focused on system files and configurations. That means your documents remain untouched, but your operating system can travel back in time. And here's the hidden advantage. When using the RSYNC mode with scheduled snapshots, Linux Mint can automatically maintain incremental backups that consume far less disk space than you'd expect. Each snapshot only stores the changes since the last one, so you get multiple restore points without sacrificing massive storage. For people who love to experiment with themes, drivers, kernels, or beta software, this feature alone makes Mint almost bulletproof. Now let's talk about something that dramatically improves productivity but stays hidden in plain sight. Cinnamon's hot corners and advanced window tiling. Most users know about basic window snapping, dragging a window to the side to tile it. But Linux Mint takes this much further. If you go into System Settings and explore hot corners, you can assign actions to each corner of your screen. For example, moving your mouse to the top left can show all workspaces. The bottom right can display the desktop instantly. The top right could show all open windows with an Expo-style overview. This is incredibly useful for multitasking. But here's where it gets even better. Cinnamon allows advanced keyboard tiling shortcuts that let you tile windows into quadrants. With simple key combinations, you can place a window in the top left quarter, bottom right quarter, or maximize vertically without stretching horizontally. If you work with multiple documents, terminals, browsers, or code editors, this turns your desktop into a powerful control center. Most people never configure this beyond defaults, but once you customize it to your workflow, it feels like having a professional window manager without complexity. Next comes a feature that feels almost magical when you discover it: Nemo's bulk renaming and advanced file operations. Nemo, the default file manager in Linux Mint, looks simple and clean. But under the surface, it's extremely powerful. You can select multiple files, right-click, and choose Rename. And suddenly, you unlock a bulk renaming tool that supports patterns, numbering sequences, date-based naming, and search and replace functionality. This is perfect for photographers, content creators, and developers handling multiple assets, but that's just the beginning. Nemo also supports custom actions. With a bit of configuration, you can add right-click options to convert images, compress files, run scripts, or even upload files to cloud services. This means your file manager becomes an automation hub. Instead of opening terminals or third-party tools, you can perform complex operations directly from a simple right-click menu. And here's the hidden part most users never explore. Nemo supports plugins that extend functionality even further, including checksum verification, terminal embedding, and advanced preview options. Another hidden gem is the Update Manager's intelligent kernel management system. Many Linux users fear kernel updates, especially those coming from distributions where updates occasionally break hardware compatibility. Linux Mint approaches this differently. The Update Manager categorizes updates by safety level and clearly distinguishes kernel updates from regular system updates. But here's what most people overlook. Mint allows you to install multiple kernel versions simultaneously and switch between them easily. If a new kernel causes issues with graphics, drivers, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth, you can reboot into an older working kernel without reinstalling anything. This layered safety net is incredibly powerful. It allows you to experiment with newer hardware support while maintaining stability. Even better, Mint warns you before removing old kernels and ensures you always have a fallback option. This thoughtful design makes Mint one of the safest distributions for users who want both reliability and flexibility. Let's move to something visually subtle but technically impressive: Cinnamon's desklets and applets ecosystem. At first glance, these look like simple widgets. A clock here, a weather app there, but the depth of customization available is extraordinary. Desklets can be placed directly on your desktop and can display system monitors, sticky notes, RSS feeds, cryptocurrency prices, or even command output. Applets, on the other hand, integrate directly into your panel. You can transform your panel into a fully customized productivity dashboard. Add workspace switchers, advanced network monitors, CPU temperature indicators, or even a mini command launcher. And here's the hidden advantage. These applets are written in JavaScript and are lightweight, meaning they don't consume heavy system resources. Linux Mint allows you to download new desklets and applets directly from within the system settings without needing external repositories. For power users, this means your desktop can evolve continuously without changing distributions. Now let's uncover a feature that can dramatically improve system performance on older hardware: the Driver Manager's smart hardware detection. Many people install Mint and never open Driver Manager unless something breaks. But Linux Mint's hardware detection system is surprisingly intelligent. It scans your system and suggests proprietary drivers only when they offer clear performance or compatibility advantages. For example, NVIDIA graphics cards often perform significantly better with proprietary drivers. Mint presents these options clearly and safely. But here's the hidden trick. After installing proprietary drivers, you can combine them with Cinnamon's compositing settings to fine-tune animation smoothness and performance. By adjusting rendering modes and disabling unnecessary effects on low-end machines, you can transform an aging laptop into a smooth daily driver. Mint doesn't overwhelm users with complex configuration screens. Instead, it gives subtle controls that deliver meaningful performance gains. Another hidden feature lies within Mint's privacy and system reporting controls. Unlike some operating systems that quietly collect telemetry, Linux Mint keeps things transparent. In the system settings, you can control crash reports, connectivity checks, and update automation in detail. But what many users don't realize is that Mint allows granular startup application control as well. You can manage exactly which services and applications launch during boot. This means faster startup times and improved responsiveness. Disabling unnecessary background services can reduce RAM usage significantly, especially on systems with limited memory. Combined with Mint's relatively lightweight resource footprint, this makes it ideal for both modern and older hardware. Let's talk about something that feels almost futuristic: workspaces integration. Linux Mint supports multiple workspaces out of the box, but many users never move beyond a single desktop. Workspaces allow you to separate tasks logically. For example, Workspace 1 for browsing, Workspace 2 for development, Workspace 3 for media editing. You can switch between them using keyboard shortcuts or the Workspace Switcher applet. But here's the hidden depth: Cinnamon supports vertical and horizontal workspace layouts. You can configure dynamic workspaces that expand automatically when you open new windows. This creates an adaptive environment that grows with your workflow. Once you master workspace navigation, your productivity increases dramatically because clutter disappears. Instead of minimizing windows constantly, you move between focused environments. Now consider the built-in firewall configuration tool. Many users assume Linux is secure by default and ignore firewall settings. While Linux is generally secure, Mint includes a graphical firewall tool that makes enabling and configuring UFW incredibly simple. With a few clicks, you can enable the firewall, define rules, and monitor activity. For advanced users, this becomes a powerful network security layer without diving into complex terminal commands. It's quiet, stable, and integrated directly into system settings. Let's dig into one more hidden treasure: Mint's theme and appearance engine. At first glance, changing themes seems like a cosmetic adjustment, but Mint's theme system is modular. You can independently customize window borders, controls, icons, desktop themes, and mouse pointers. This means you're not locked into a single aesthetic package. You can mix and match components to create a completely unique interface. Beyond that, Mint allows fine control over fonts, scaling, panel transparency, and animation speeds. For users who want a Windows-like layout, Mac OS-inspired dock, or minimalistic tiling setup, Mint can adapt without heavy modifications. This flexibility is often underestimated because Mint presents itself as simple. But under the hood, it's deeply customizable. Another feature that deserves attention is the software manager's Flatpak integration. Mint supports traditional app pages, but also integrates Flatpak repositories seamlessly. This means you can access a massive library of up-to-date applications that are sandboxed for security. What makes Mint unique is how cleanly it presents these options. You can see whether an app is a system package or a Flatpak, compare versions, and choose accordingly. This dual ecosystem ensures both stability and access to cutting-edge software. We also need to highlight Mint's built-in screenshot and screen recording capabilities. While many users install third-party tools, Mint includes a powerful screenshot utility with delay timers, region selection, and window capture. Combined with keyboard shortcuts, it becomes extremely efficient. For creators and educators, this eliminates the need for extra software. Finally, let's talk about something subtle but transformative: Cinnamon's keyboard shortcut customization. Every major function can be reassigned. Want to launch your terminal with a custom shortcut? Open a specific folder instantly? Toggle the panel? It's all configurable. This level of control allows you to shape Linux Mint around your habits rather than adapting your habits to the system. When you combine all these hidden features, something becomes clear. Linux Mint isn't just beginner-friendly. It's layered. On the surface, it's simple and welcoming. Beneath that, it's powerful and adaptable. It respects user control while maintaining stability. And perhaps that's the greatest hidden feature of all: thoughtful design. Mint doesn't overwhelm you with complexity, yet it quietly provides tools that rival advanced distributions. If you've been using Linux Mint casually, now is the time to explore deeper. Open your system settings, explore desklets, customize shortcuts, enable snapshots, experiment with workspaces. You might discover that the operating system you thought you already knew still has surprises waiting beneath the surface. And once you unlock these hidden capabilities, Linux Mint transforms from a comfortable desktop into a precision productivity machine that feels tailor-made for you.